Hello, and welcome to the presentation of the GA11, your reliable device for highly accurate gas quality measurement in gas-insulated switchgear. To keep gas-insulated switchgear safe and reduce emissions, the gas quality of the insulating gas must be checked regularly. That's where the GA11 comes in. With the device, you can easily comply with the F-gas regulations and verify limits according to the IEC 60480 and the IEC 63360. For SF6 as well as for alternatives insulating gases like C4FN or natural origin gases. The standard scope of delivery includes the certificate, the user manual, a measuring hose, and the appropriate adapters like a DN20 or DN8 coupling. In addition, we can offer optional accessories such as an external pressure regulator and the external gas bag GA45. All gas-carrying components are equipped with self-sealing couplings, ensuring maximum safety and emission-free handling. The GA11 stands out with intuitive operation and maximum precision. The device features two gas connections, connection 1 for measure and pumping back, and connection 2 for expanding the gas storage with an external bag such as the GA45. For measurement, simply connect a measuring hose to the connection 1, connect the measuring hose to your DN8 or DN20 coupling, and connect this to the switchgear. Once the gas compartment is connected, simply use the touchscreen to select the operation you want to do. You can choose between measure, pumping back, and the combined version measure and pumping back. After entering just a few details, you can start the measurement. It will finish automatically as soon as the sensors are stable, and a pop-up window will display the results. For the result, you can set your own thresholds. The standard limits from the IEC norms are preloaded, and the device can be reset at any time with a single tap. You can choose between a fixed measurement duration or the automatic mode. In automatic mode, the stability of the measurement results determines the duration, so only one measurement is required. The device can store up to 500 datasets, and exporting is simple, either via QR code or through USB in various formats. The GA11 is available in versions with two 2.6 sensors, measures the purity, the humidity, and various decomposition products of the insulating gas. All sensors are temperature compensated within a range of -10 to +50 degrees and are calibrated in our laboratory and precisely adjusted in each device. Every unit comes with an individual certificate, ensuring 100% quality control. The GA11 is equipped with a nickel metal hydride battery, allowing you to perform at least 10 measurements including pumping back. Combined with its robust design and a weight of 22 kilograms and an IP67 protection, the GA11 is designed for air, sea, and road transport without being classified as dangerous goods. The GA11, designed to meet your requirements. Visit us at weiker.com or contact our team for personal advice.